Welcome back, guys. I'm in my shed tonight with the wagon, gonna do a grill swap. So I've been looking around for a while now. As much as I'm trying to keep the wagon fairly stock looking, I do want to do some slight things just to make it my own per se. One thing I've thought about doing was the Manta grill that came out on the VS HSV Mantas. Just for that sort of difference. I have owned Commodores in the past. I've got a VN and it had the letterbox style grill. So thought run one for one of these. I was trying for ages to try and find an OEM one, to no luck. But I did come across this one online, fiberglass reproduction. Now the quality is quite good. I've had this one painted obviously. The quality is quite good. It was nice gel coat, very clean for what it was, and it was only, at the time of purchase, I believe it was 160 bucks. So gone to go with this again. I do like to try and keep things OEM, but with this it was for me the better purchase. Currently if even a HSV Club Sport or GDS grills come up for sale, they're in the $500-600 for OEM. I'm into this with paint for 240-ish bucks. PS, big shout out to my mate Harry who got this painted at his work. The colour match looks pretty much spot on. It matched the white to a T. But yeah, big thanks to Harry for that one to get it sorted. So yeah, went the fiberglass version. If I don't like it, I can always sell the whole lot off. Now, you do have to also cut the bar up to make this fit, but this bar isn't perfect. There is issues from when I bought it, and there's a dent there, and there's minor marks and stuff like that. So, look, if I don't like the look of it, it's no great loss for me. I can just buy another bar and go from there. So, let's get into it. I do have, which I'll try and put photos of up on the screen. I do have the genuine, or the Holden manual for cutting out the Manta grill, so it tells you the measurements and stuff. I'll put a photo up here of those shots. So if anyone does want to do this one as well, you can have the information that I had to help make it as clean as needs possible. So anyway, let's get into it. I'll start by taking the grills apart and I'll get the measurements up, and then we'll get ready to start modifying.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, now I do apologise, I didn't actually film really any of the masking and the cutting because it was a bit tedious. But I've got a bit of a collection of tools around. So this is the part that got cut out. There's the grill obviously now in. I'm pretty happy with that colour match. That's pretty good. Depending on the angle of the light, like it looks the same colour as the bonnet. Then it obviously darkens up down the front. But that's in. Now, it was a little bit, where the screw holes line up, they were a little bit out of whack. But I just ended up running the Dremel through and opening holes a bit more, and it sits into place. But again, for the price of it compared to OEM, you can't really complain. Piece I cut out, basically, you cut from the middle, you gotta cut the top lip off. It's 188. That width to 265. That width in the cut module, they tell you to see radius the edges. I didn't radius it, I just cut it to an angle. Finished it with a bit of sandpaper to smooth it off. But yeah, all I used to cut it out was my saw for the top one, which is I think it's a coping saw or whatever they are, from working to cut the plastic right, and a Dremel. The Dremel did good, just cut the plastic. And that's it. So again, I'm happy with how that looks. Let's see how it goes. Ultimately, again, if it sort of becomes annoying, I fall out of love with it, I can just sell the whole bar off and buy a new bar. They probably for spares now make them, and just go back to normal with running the normal inserts. So that's that. Just a little bit of a change up to the wagon. All I have, and it's probably hard to see this time of night, I've got rid of the hubcaps and going back to just the Steelies, I got chrome center caps with black nuts. I ended up getting a set of, these are 15 by 4s, the Monaro Space Savers. People use them for front runners. As if I can show you, I've done the same at the moment there, running the Rosso front tyre. This car isn't obviously a land speed record machine, but I kind of like that tough sort of drag spec look. So went and got the rims all repainted. I said center caps and stuff, new wheel nuts, and yeah, just to change it up. So loving the way it's looking at the moment. Yeah, that's another look at the front. But that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, if you like the comment, if you like the content, like, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff. But yeah, cheers guys, I'll catch you next time.